Hi, my name's Paul John. I'm a painter and decorator. I've been doing it for 30 years. It was about 2 years ago now. I seen it online on Facebook about Jamie Bourne on doing courses, and I thought, oh, that would appeal to me. Been on ALS course with Jamie. I've done the kitchen spraying course, and this is now where it's led me now to my own unit, which I thought would never happen in this world because I'm not a very go-for person until I speak to Jamie, and Jamie's given me so much confidence and belief in myself. Basically, I am here now because of Jamie, because he is literally there when I need him. Whenever I'm stuck, he's on the phone. When I need help, he's on the phone. He's just basically come down today. He come from Wiltshire all the way down to Wales to help me out on my workshop today now. And with his family, he's brought his family down, and he's just absolutely brilliant. I just can't praise him enough. I really can't praise him enough. I'd literally be lost without him. So thank you, Jamie. Well, my aim is now to get more kitchens and furniture, because I do work with another carpenter as well, and he does MDF built-in wardrobes. So he's given me a few jobs as well now. So this is a perfect opportunity now to bring all the work down to here, the MDF, kitchen doors and stuff. So it's looking promising at the minute. It's all good. I like my workshop because it's different, because when you're in people's houses, you feel like you're under pressure. There are people watching you. You're liable to make mistakes. But then back in your workshop, you've got more time to concentrate on things, to do it right. And even if you muck up, that's all it is. Just sand back down and redo it, and it's great. So yeah, it's less pressure on you personally, I feel.
Well, lastly, what would you say to anybody that's thinking of booking a spraying course?
Aha, it's a no-brainer. Honestly, this is a no-brainer. It took me 30 years to realise that I should have done this years ago. So honestly, get on that spraying course. Honestly, it's insane. It's helped me immensely, really has.